I am Joshit Ranjan Sikidar, Director Finance, Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited. It has given me an immense pleasure to learn that NIRC of our institute is going to organize an apt topic, Viksit Bharat 2047. This is aligned to our nation's vision to make India a developed country by 2047. I am sure that this will generate an immense insight and knowledge and help us making policy for future. I request all of you to participate in this program and make it a grand success. I wish our institute a very best of luck. Thank you.